Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive in a 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge. Now this thing was restored beautifully. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen one that's looked this nice come through. If you haven't already, go click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications and the little bell icon, so you get updated anytime we do a video. And the purpose of this virtual test drive video is for you to get a chance to look at the vehicle out in the sun, try to virtually put you in the driver's seat to how it drives, what it sounds like going down the road, how it feels. For all additional information, you get to go on over to volocars.com when we're done. It has the whole write-up, a couple hundred pictures, undercarriage, everything. We spin around on our turntable. And then the selling price is there as well, and then you can give our sales department a call. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and get on in. The interior looks great. This color combo with the red on the outside, this light tan on the interior. Absolutely love it. Door shuts nice. Seat's comfortable. There's a little bit, you can tell that someone sat in here before, but there's no tears, no rips, no anything. It's just a real beautiful, beautiful GTO. All right, I better put on my seatbelt before I forget. Start her up. That's the radio. Radio does work. Let's see. Yep, you can tune it in. Can't leave a song on there too long. Not trying to get copyright infringements. Fan kicks on. Has your power top up here. A gauge cluster with the temp, fuel, oil pressure, speedometer. The clock actually works. Now I did notice on the way down here that the tachometer up there on the hood, that one, something's just not connected underneath. We'll take care of that when we get done. And I do work in the shop, and this is our first time getting to take it on the road. So something like that, like the tachometer, this is when we're gonna find it out. Then we'll get it back to the shop, take care of it. And I'm gonna start off taking it slow, getting used to it. And then later in the video, I will open it up. So let's go for a ride. Power steering is really nice. Brakes are good. Looking at the glass, the mirrors, everything looks brand new. Oh, it definitely wants to get up and go. See, the speedometer's working, the engine temp's going up. Really nice. And I see it still has the 8-track player down there. So if you had all those 8 tracks, you weren't sure when you were going to listen to them again, got the perfect ride for you. Going down this bumpier road, see what it sounds like. Little squeaks here. I'm not sure how many miles have been put on since the restoration. I'm sure we have all that information on the website. Turn signals cancel themselves out. Overall, feels like a real solid car. Not only beautiful, but great to drive as well. Drives me straight up, didn't turn it up for it to cancel that time. so just be quick. Goes through the gears super smooth, sounds awesome. It drives just like it floats. Brakes stop really well. Oh, this baby is fun. Some people go to turn their heads. If you're not just cruising through town, they're gonna have to turn them pretty quick because this is a mover. Gosh, I cannot stop smiling in this vehicle right now. Oh man, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com, see what's under this hood, all the pictures, the detailed write-up, the selling price, and then give our sales department a call because this thing is too beautiful to be here too long. As always, I appreciate you.